So this is an R60 Mini Cooper crossover, which doesn't have an autolight. So I bought from Amazon a CEP product, which is an autolight light on for R55 to R56 Mini Cooper, but it matches my car. So this is the main product, and this is the wires. So I cut the input wire for the light in here, which is white and black. Then I connected the input wire to the plain green wire, white wire, then the output white to the violet wire. Then I connected the black wire, which is the output wire, to the violet white wire. Then I connected the black to the green and white wire. Then I connected the orange, which is a trigger of the ignition, so that this product will go on, switch on when you switch on the car, and connected it at the 10-pin blue connector, which is, you take a closer look, it's like this. So I placed the sensor in here facing the inner of the car. So it is working now. I switch on the car. No light. Then I'm gonna cover the sensor, which is duplicating how you enter the tunnel. Then you heard the switching sound, and voila, the low beam and the dim light is on. Low beam or small light, if you call it in your place, small light. Okay, so if you will duplicate the slightly lit area, no light is on. Then the small light lights on, the low beam doesn't lit, so it duplicates the way you enter a tunnel, which is well lit tunnel, or it duplicates the going dark through evening. So connection is successful. You're just gonna give an effort in removing these covers and reinstalling it, of course. Thank you for watching.